Today we're going to look at Site 15 at the Range Vintage Trailer Resort in Bristol, Texas. They have 13 open sites that are spread across 30 acres, and they'll range between 30 or 50 amps. They have full hookups including sewer, water, and the sites and the pads are absolutely enormous. Most of them are back in with a few pull-ins. The back ends are relatively easy and at a good angle, so it's not very tight to be able to get the trailer and the rig in there. You got plenty of space. As you can see here, you really get spoiled with how big the sites are. Enough to put out your rug, your chairs. It's on nice level concrete. We've never had to level besides front and back. So left and right is completely level, so it makes it just really easy to just come in, drop the trailer, you're leveled, you're hooked up, everything's ready to go. It's clean, the views are outstanding. Every site offers something a little bit different. We'll see here for Site 15, you got this path that kind of goes to this tree that's got these fairy lights at night. Really makes it look really magical. Every site has its own picnic table with wooden bench seats, all handmade from repurposed wood. And it seems like no matter what site you're at, you don't see your neighbors, you don't really hear anything. It's just kind of you got your own piece of your land on this 30 acres. Here you go, here's a shot at night showing this kind of the fairy lights. So it's kind of really nice. You sit out there, maybe you're having a coffee, a beverage, maybe you're just hanging out, playing some games, and just to have that ambient light of that tree for Site 15 is really cool. There's a path, if you just follow that out, that'll kind of connect you to the main path, which will take you just up to the barn, into the pool, and all that area. And so it's not very far away from anything at all, but also, as you can see here at night, you see no other lights. You didn't hear anything other than just like the nature